Hi everybody, welcome back to House of Miracles Learning Adventures channel. Today we will learn the cooking steps. Before cooking we need to follow some steps. Are you curious? Let's begin. The first important step is to wash your hands. The second step is to tie your hair back and wear a cooking hat while cooking. Put on an apron before you start cooking. Next, clean the table or your workplace. After that, get all the ingredients ready. Get the tools you need. It is very important step. Don't skip it. Wash the fruit and vegetables. Then preheat the oven if needed. Next, read the recipe carefully. Watch out not to get cut or burned. Eventually you are ready to start cooking and having fun. After you get ready with cooking, enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching and following these very essential steps before cooking. Do you ever cook? What is your favorite meal? What is your favorite food? Let's meet in the comments. For more enjoyable videos, subscribe to our channel and keep learning.